I think for us, TIFE was just such a unique, amazing opportunity.
The TIFE team helped me become more sociable.
It was really lovely to make new friendships.
I fi yn personol, mae'r ffrindiau a'r pobl fi wedi cwrdd mynd i aros gyda fi am byth.
Lives are transformed through exchanges. It sounds a bit dramatic, I appreciate, but it's the truth.
It was life-changing because I actually got my very first passport.
I barely talked to anybody. I didn't have many IRL friends. I didn't really leave the house too much, so going on a trip where I'm around people 24/7, it definitely makes you feel like you've grown and kind of evolved since then.
Dydy dysgu ddim jyst yn y dosbarth, mae dysgu jyst gymaint fwy na hynna, a dyma bod o'n bwysig iawn i'r disgyblion cael y profiad yna, ac wrth gwrs fel athrawon, i ni rhoi'r cyfle yna iddyn nhw.
I think that's why it's so important, more than ever, in a really diverse but quite conflicted world, that we get students away from the screen and out into the real world.
Mae'r trip yma yn sicr wedi ysbrydoli fi. Mae dysgu am diwylliannau gwahanol yn sicr wedi rhoi ymwybyddiaeth a dealltwriaeth gwell i fi o diwylliannau gwahanol.
You have a chance to share Wales to the world, and that's what makes TIFE special.
TIFE yn rhoi cyfle gwych i fyfyrwyr o bob cefndir gallu Cymraeg a unrhyw cefndir cymdeithasol i ddod â'i gilydd ac i fynd ar brofiadau bydd y pobl arall gan amla ddim yn cael.
Some people are from communities that are very poverty driven, who don't have a lot of opportunities, and without TIFE doing trips like this, people like myself won't be able to get to see that there's a bigger world out there. And we have more to strive for than what's going on in our own communities.
As a youth worker, it was amazing to really take those young people, to see them grow and develop as a group.
They grow in confidence, in aspirations, they make connections from around the world. They learn more about themselves in those 12 days than they may have in years.
For some odd reason I was like, I shouldn't be on this trip, I don't know why I'm here. But I think people saying, no, you did so well during that day, you answered those questions in a room full of people, that gave me that confidence, like, okay, I can do this, I'm here for a reason.
Through the TIFE exchange, people can overcome a lot of barriers. They can learn so much about what's happening in other countries, about themselves. It can inspire them to want to make a difference.
Yeah, just an amazing opportunity that I can't think, we wouldn't have had this opportunity without TIFE.
They won't get this chance otherwise. They just wouldn't. And why shouldn't they? Why shouldn't they get the experiences of a typical child, a child without additional learning needs?
So without TIFE and without the funding, young people, and especially from disadvantaged backgrounds, will never have these opportunities otherwise.
The whole trip actually really affected my whole family in what it brought to Henry, because we could all see a change in him. It was the first time that he did something independently without the support of his family, and it was absolutely amazing, and we were so proud of him, and so were the rest of my family. It was truly amazing. Thank you. Sorry.